Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Pinterest, and if you look at the chart, so what we can see is the daily chart because we don't have enough data available for this script. So what we can see, there is a big breakout which has happened in the daily chart. We can see the same in the weekly as well as in the monthly chart, but daily chart will give you much more sense about how the stock is moving. Also, we don't have enough data to cover it. Anyhow, whatever data we have, now you can see here that the stock has indeed make a breakout, and we will see how and what this is going to mean for the stock going forward. And I have already made a video previously, and if you have seen that, I hope that you will get benefited out of it. So let me just explain the previous trend, then we will look at the upcoming or next trend. We will discuss about that. So if you can see here, now this was indeed your big resistance at $36.9. Okay, now the stock has indeed make a breakout above that. So it does make a breakout, then it again falls back, and again it made a breakout. So it's just a reconfirmation, and the stock went up. Okay, and then again fall back, and right now it is above the chart or above the resistance level, so we can consider it as a fresh breakout, but also there is a confirmation after the breakout as well. Now understand this. So with this breakout, what will happen is your first support or your immediate support will come at 36.9, then you have 32.6, then you have 27.58 as a support level, then 23.62, and finally we have 20.48. So I am giving these levels not to say that the stock will fall down, but just to have a sense of understanding about the support and resistance level which one should take in care of. So it does not mean that if the stock is going up, it does not mean we just forgot about the risk and we should think only about the profit. So the right way to think is you should have a better plan about the risk rather than a profit, because if you put a constraint on the profit, you are not going to make any big money out of investing, out of any investing or investment. I'm not talking about trading or holding for 15 days or 20 days. Just let your portfolio stock run as much as it can, because nobody knows the power of compounding, and nobody knows how far and how long the stock can go on the upside. But you must have a plan of your risk and how much risk you want to take, and if something goes inverse or if something goes which you didn't prepare for, then what you should do. Okay, that's the first thing, and probably if you consider the only thing, it's not a problem. Okay, because the rest is only the profit. Now if you look at the trend, so now what you need to understand and look here is simply this. So anyhow, the stock made a big breakout on the higher end of the range. Now we need to look how long or how far it could go on the upside. Okay, for that, what we can simply do is we will measure the length of the previous trend and apply the same for the upcoming one. Now understand this, though it's a long daily chart pattern, but we have to keep our duration as long as possible, so that we don't think like it will happen in couple of days. Though if it will happen, then it's a different thing, but we should not think like that. Now you can see that the length of the previous trend is 240%. We can apply the same for the next, which gives us a target of which indeed gives us a target of $111 on the upside. So here we have 111 on the upside, but I'm saying you again and again that this is not for short term. Okay, if you can hold it for a bit longer than you are expecting, then it is good for you. It's not like you're going to lose something. Obviously, if you consider the current position and if you look at the next target, it is double than the current stock price. So obviously, in normal conditions, things or stock moves in a normal fashion, and keeping that thing or keeping that particular keeping that thing into your mind, you should understand that a duration for that level to achieve will take probably considerable amount of time, excluding the volatility, because the volatility can lead the stock price anywhere. I mean, it can go 1000% in 1 month. That's not a big deal, but that's not what I'm considering. If it happened, then you should take your decisions accordingly. But what we can see in this stock is simply this, that we have a breakout, and this is a substantial breakout on the upside, and the stock has indeed made a breakout from the level which it has touched a year back. And if you can see that from the lows of March 2020, the stock has already risen 280 plus percentage. So this is also a thing which you need to look at and which you need to understand, because stocks can't go away in any direction in a linear fashion. Okay, so either it will go up or it will go down. There will be some consolidation, some correction, some bounce back, everything will be there, unless there is some scenario which is extreme, either on the positive side or on the negative side, so that the stock can move irrationally in the days or in the months to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.